Yes, good day to all of you. So we have here another problem from applications of derivatives. So the problem states here, the sum of two numbers is k. Find the minimum value of the sum of their cubes. So I already wrote the formula, so it's very easy to explain. So first, let x is equal to the first number and y is equal to the second number. Okay. So from this problem, so it states here that the sum of the two numbers is k. So x being the first number and y is the second number. So therefore x plus y is equal to k. And then for the second sentence, the problem states the minimum value of the sum of their cubes. So the equation 2 will be the sum is equal to x cubed plus y cubed. So from equation 1, we derive the value of y. So y is equal to k minus x. So we just transpose x, that's why it's negative. So then substitute the value of y to equation 2. So we derive this s is equal to x cubed plus y, this one, k minus x cubed. Okay? So then we derive this ds over dx is equal to x cubed will be 3x squared, then k minus x is plus 3 times k minus x squared, then the derivative of negative x is negative 1, so it equals to 0. So we simplify this, 3x squared plus 3, then this one, k minus x squared is equivalent to k squared minus 2kx plus x squared times negative 1. Okay, it's negative, so equals to 0. So transpose this one here, 3x squared is equal to, transpose to the other side, that will become 3k squared minus ckx plus 3x squared. We just expand this one, 3 times k, 3k squared, 3 times negative 2, negative 6kx, 3 times x squared, that is positive 3x squared. Okay, so we derive this one, 3k squared is equal to 6kx. So from here we derive the value of x, therefore x is equal to k over 2. So we then substitute the value of x to equation 1. That will become k squared plus y is equal to k. So therefore y is equal to k minus k over 2, or y is equal to k over 2. So therefore the sum will be, we substitute this one, the value of y here, I mean the value of x, so this k over 2, this one, k over 2, and plus y cubed, that is k over 2 also, that will become, we simplify this one, that will become k cubed over 4. So now to prove that this value is the minimum value, so we derive again from here, the second derivative of ds over dx is equal to derivative of 3k squared is equal to 6x plus minus, and this one minus 2 times 3, that will be minus 6 times k minus x. Okay, times negative 1. So we simplify this one, 6x plus 6k minus 6x. So therefore the second derivative is 6k, which is greater than less than 0, I mean greater than 0. Therefore s is equal to minimum.